Haley and I'm head of community here at Pitch Black. How you going, mate? Join me and Ryan as we go to cool startup events every week. We meet cool people, we learn things, we have a good time, we laugh a lot, we're really weird, and also we're late most of the time.
We're a little bit late. We're officially late now.
Yes. We're already late!
We were supposed to be there 6 minutes ago and we're about to leave.
We're late again. So come on the journey.
Does that mean we're officially late now?
As of this moment, yes. We're 1 minute away though.
We're just so good at what we do.
Speed walk. We're so good at this. Oh, I love you. Come on.
We're breaking the law.
We're late. What? At the second event, The Woman Who Defeated Testosterone Rex, Cordelia Fine explains how society blames hormones for sexism in the workplace. One of the concepts she spoke about was how we assume men are more competitive because they have more testosterone, but that's not actually backed by any scientific research. She did a super awesome job at breaking down the topic in a way that was really easy to understand. Hello.
How good is this tunage?
Further up.
It's like, where'd she go?
That dance move was amazing. I'm saving that forever.
That's killer content right there.
CSI Melbourne.
Yeah.
And okay. I loved that event. It was so awesome. So Ryan and I are gonna head back to the office. We're gonna do some work for a few hours and then we're gonna head to another Melbourne Knowledge Week event. Let's go! At Making Designer Babies, they gathered a panel of 4 experts, including a genetic researcher, a genetic counselor, an ethicist, and a mom of 2 children who had genetic disorders. They spoke about the feasibility and the ethics of picking the traits of your children. S-T-E-W?
Stewart.
Yep, Stuart. Hey, we're at Rome to Rio. Late again.
What's the time?
6:06.
When were we supposed to be there?
Maybe 6 o'clock. Shocker, I know. We're gonna head into FuckUp Nights because they're starting, so I gotta be quiet, okay? FuckUp Nights was packed. 3 entrepreneurs told their stories of fucking up, and they brought us on the emotional roller coaster that is entrepreneurship. All 3 of the speakers were amazing storytellers, which is super important for keeping an audience engaged. For someone who goes to a lot of events, I was extremely impressed with the way they brought us on the journey.
Amazing! So tomorrow's my last day.
Celebration!
I hope you don't make me look like a crazy person again.
One of our 9 commandments here at Pitch Black is to learn curiously and then teach. So now it is your turn. My challenge for you this week is to go out and explore the local events in your city, take advantage of that knowledge that's being given out, and put yourself out there, meet new people, and spread the love. Cool.
Happy with that?
Yeah. Cool. Oh, it's gonna pull down my pants. Yeah.
You're a famous YouTuber.
I'm super famous. No. Whoa. Thanks so much for watching. You can find last week's video somewhere in this area. Say thanks to Ryan. Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.
He's our editor of this vlog. And we'll catch you next week. See you then.